Welcome to the city of joy, festivity, art, and a true sense of hospitality, Kolkata. Undoubtedly the cultural hub of India tradition. And as far as hospitality is concerned, there is no comparison of this city which believes in warmth of Atithi Dev Bhava. And to learn hospitality, there is no better than ISHM, International School of Hospitality Management.
আমার নাম আদিত্য রসমন, আমি কলকাতায় থাকি।
Hello, my name is Diksha Thapa. I'm from Darjeeling.
I'm from Sikkim.
हम बिहार से बने।
I'm from Kalimpong.
म नेपाल काठमाडौँबाट आएकी हुँ।
আমি বাংলাদেশ ঢাকা থেকে এসেছি।
And I am from Jaingaon, which is near to Bhutan.
And this is the column, alright?
ISHM have been awarded as the best international institute for aviation and hospitality management in Kolkata by Merit Awards and Research, New Delhi. ISHM's state-of-art infrastructure is simply modern and it got practical design air-conditioned classroom, housekeeping lab, 2 restaurant cum bar, 1 specialized cocktail bar, 2 front office lab, exclusive live aircraft simulator, Indian and Chinese culinary lab, and Kolkata's first evergreen cooking kitchen for continental cuisines and bakery.
Personally, I want to become a chef, so this college giving me the opportunity to become a world-class chef.
Best part of ISHM is its international way of approach to almost everything, be it student syllabus, training, or mentoring the students in placements. We have 3 exclusive training programs. We send students every year to Thailand and Malaysia for international exposure in foreign partner universities.
I'm very glad to be a part of this institute because it was a dream of mine to study in abroad, and this college is providing me the opportunity to study in the universities of Malaysia and Thailand.
We are the only college to provide stay and learn program in a 5-star hotel during ISHM professional hotelier training.
The reason that I chose ISHM was professional hotelier training, whereby they give us a stay and learn experience. That is, they take the students to a 5-star hotel and make us stay there to see how a hotel truly operates. And I, as a future hotelier, truly believe that the best way to learn something is to experience it.
And we are the only college in Bengal to provide exclusive wine education.
I want to become a sommelier, so ISHM is providing me with that opportunity to go for a wine training in Nasik.
ISHM has got an annex campus specially designed for management courses like hospital management, business management, airport management, etc. We provide the best healthcare infrastructure to our students. ISHM is not only about hotel and tourism. We also encourage our students to take part in India's growing aviation industry. We are the only hospitality institute in Kolkata to have our very own in-flight simulator, which is designed to give our students a real feel of aircraft cabin. We do a lot of specialized workshop for our students like swimming, emergency situation handling activity, do's and don'ts in emergency situation, how to handle guest requirements. ISHM have shown its international approach even here by taking each and every students to Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia to give specialized aircraft training in Malaysian Airlines. Students who are interested in aviation gets jobs in many units like cabin crew, customer service associates, group support staff in airport, public relation, and even net corporate sector.
The reason why I have joined ISHM is because I want to become an air hostess. As you can see here, we have our own
life craft which gives me the real feel of a hostess.
Our teachers are not only qualified but also got many years of experience in the industry. We provide laptop to our students of business and hospital management so that they can learn the managerial skill like sales negotiation, cost control, motivation skills, team building skills, manpower handling, and many more.
I joined this college 7 months back, and the experience, although not easy, has been an amazing one.
Our motto is to create quality placements and create entrepreneurs. ISHM is at present providing on-job training and placements in over 13 countries. They include USA, UAE, Thailand, Malaysia, Maldives, Germany, and many more.
And ISHM provides international placement opportunity. I'm very glad to become a part of ISHM. Thank you.
ISHM was created with a simple philosophy: the world is your classroom. The reason behind it was the students coming from different parts. Not only India, we get our students from Bhutan, Nepal, as well as Bangladesh. If you want to know more about ISHM, just log into our website.
ISHM, where dreams take off.